Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2014 Town and Country minivan, and I will show you what you can try doing in case you're having problems with your monitor, the main screen. So in case it's not aligned properly, or you have problems with the touch screen, or you have problems with the colors on the screen, right? This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, to access monitor adjustment, first you will have to access the hidden service menu. To do that, turn off the radio, make sure the vehicle is running, and then you will press and keep holding the menu button, radio button, and media button at the same time for 5 seconds. And this will get you into the hidden service menu, service mode actually. And under number 2, monitor adjustment, and here there is a bunch of things you can do. So if you do monitor check, if you check the monitor for all of the colors, right? So that's something you can do, this test. And then there's a bunch of other things you can do. It's up to you if you want to play with this. What can happen, I was playing a bit too much with these options and the complete screen froze, and then I had problems how to defroze it. If that happens to you, you want to turn off the vehicle, open the driver's door for 30-40 seconds, and then start the vehicle, and that will reset the Uconnect, okay? But yeah, I will not touch any other option because my screen is working fine, and I don't want to mess it up, honestly. So you see 2.5 touch switch correction, so if like touch screen is not working properly or things like that, you can try to adjust it here. Yeah, it's up to you if you want to deal with this or not. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.